Hey space enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover 25 absolutely mind-blowing space facts that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the universe. Trust me, some of these are so wild you won't believe they're real, so buckle up and let's blast off. Fact 1. The moon is drifting away. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Every year, it moves about 1.5 inches farther from us. Don't worry though. It'll take billions of years before it's gone for good. But still, imagine a future where there are no more lunar eclipses. Fact 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Here's a crazy one. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before your day. Fact 3. There's a planet made of diamonds. Imagine a planet made of diamonds. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth located 40 light-years away, has a surface covered in graphite and diamonds. It's literally a billionaire's dream planet. Fact 4. The Sun's core is a nuclear powerhouse. The Sun's core is a nuclear fusion factory, converting 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. That's like detonating 100 billion nuclear bombs every single second. And yet, it's been doing this for 4.6 billion years. Fact 5. There's a giant water vapor cloud in space. Out in the depths of space, there's a massive water vapor cloud, containing 140 trillion times the amount of water in Earth's oceans. It's 12 billion light-years away, and it's the largest reservoir of water ever discovered. Fact 6. Neutron stars are insanely dense. Neutron stars are so dense that just a sugar cube-sized amount of their material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. These stars are the remnants of supernova explosions and spin hundreds of times per second. Fact 7. There's a planet where it rains, glass sideways. On HD 189733b, a planet 63 light-years away, it rains molten glass. And not just rain, it's sideways because of 5,400 mph winds. Definitely not a vacation spot. Fact 8. The universe is expanding faster than light. Here's a brain melter. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. This doesn't break Einstein's laws because it's space itself that's stretching, not objects moving through space. Fact 9. There's a black hole that's 66 billion times more massive than the Sun. Meet TON 618, one of the most massive black holes ever discovered. It's 66 billion times the mass of the Sun and has a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape it. It's literally a cosmic monster. Fact 10. You can fit all the planets between Earth and the Moon. You can fit all the planets in our solar system between Earth and the Moon with room to spare. The average distance between Earth and the Moon is about 239,000 miles, and the combined diameters of all the planets is just under that. Fact 11. There's a star that's 10 million times brighter than the Sun. Meet R136A1, the most massive and luminous star ever discovered. It's 10 million times brighter than the Sun and located in the Tarantula Nebula. If it replaced our Sun, life on Earth would be impossible. Fact 12. Space is completely silent. Space is eerily silent because sound waves need a medium to travel, and space is a vacuum. So if you were floating in space, you wouldn't hear a thing, even if a supernova exploded right next to you. Fact 13. There's a galaxy made of 99.99% dark matter. Dragonfly 44 is a galaxy that's 99.99% dark matter. Scientists have no idea what dark matter is, but it makes up about 85% of the universe's mass. This galaxy is a giant mystery waiting to be solved. Fact 14. The coldest place in the universe is on Earth. Believe it or not, the coldest place in the universe isn't in deep space. It's in a lab on Earth. Scientists have created temperatures just a fraction of a degree above absolute zero. That's colder than the Boomerang Nebula, the natural coldest place in space. Fact 15. There's a planet that orbits 2 suns. Remember Tatooine from Star Wars? Well, it's real. Kepler 16b is a planet that orbits 2 suns, just like Luke Skywalker's home planet. It's located 200 light-years away and is a real-life sci-fi wonder. Fact 16. There's a planet that's pitch black. Meet Trees 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. It reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal. Scientists think its atmosphere contains light-absorbing chemicals, but no one knows for sure why it's so dark. Fact 17. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in the solar system. It's 13.6 miles high, about 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and covers an area roughly the size of Arizona. It's so massive that you wouldn't even see its peak from the base. Fact 18. There's a star that's older than the universe. HD 140283, nicknamed the Methuselah star, is estimated to be 14.5 billion years old. But here's the kicker. The universe is only 13.8 billion years old. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this star could be older than the universe itself. Fact 19. Saturn's rings are disappearing. Saturn's iconic rings are vanishing. NASA says the rings are being pulled into the planet by gravity and could completely disappear in about 100 million years. So, if you're planning a trip to Saturn, you might want to hurry. Fact 20. There's a cloud of alcohol in space. In the constellation Aquila, there's a giant cloud of alcohol called Sagittarius B2. It contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Cheers to that. Fact 21. The moon has moonquakes. Just like Earth has earthquakes, the moon has moonquakes. These quakes can last up to 30 minutes and are caused by tidal forces from Earth's gravity. Some are so strong they can actually crack the moon's surface. Fact 22. There's a planet that's a giant diamond. Star J17191438b is a planet made almost entirely of crystallized carbon, aka diamond. It's the remnant of a once massive star that got crushed into a planet-sized diamond. Fact 23. The sun is white, not yellow. Surprise! The sun isn't actually yellow, it's white. It only appears yellow from Earth because of our atmosphere scattering blue light. If you were in space, you'd see the sun in its true color, pure white. Fact 24. There's a planet that orbits its star in just 18 hours. And GTS-10b is an exoplanet that orbits its star in just 18 hours. That means a year on this planet is shorter than a single day on Earth. It's so close to its star that its surface temperature is a scorching 1,000 degrees, 1,832 degrees. Fact 25. The Milky Way has a twin. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has a doppelganger called NGC 6744. It's almost identical in size and shape, and it even has its own satellite galaxies, just like we have the large and small Magellanic Clouds. It's like looking into a cosmic mirror. Wow, what an incredible journey through the cosmos. We've explored 25 mind-blowing space facts that prove the universe is stranger, bigger, and more awe-inspiring than we could ever imagine. From diamond planets and black holes to galaxies, made of dark matter and stars older than the universe itself, the cosmos is full of mysteries that challenge everything we think we know. But here's the thing, this is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. There's so much more out there waiting to be discovered, and every day, scientists are uncovering new wonders that push the boundaries of our understanding. The universe is a vast, ever-expanding tapestry of stars, planets, and phenomena that defy logic and ignite our imagination. Think about it. We live on a tiny blue dot in a galaxy of hundreds of billions of stars, which is just one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. And yet, despite how small we are in the grand scheme of things, we've managed to explore, observe, and even begin to understand the cosmos. That's the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. So, what's next? Well, that's up to you. Let us know in the comments which fact blew your mind the most. Was it the planet where it rains glass? The star that's 10 million times brighter than the sun? Or maybe the fact that space is completely silent? We'd love to hear your thoughts and start a conversation about the wonders of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the wonder of the universe together. Imagine sitting around a campfire looking up at the stars and sharing these incredible facts with the people you care about. Space has a way of bringing us together, reminding us that we're all part of something much bigger than ourselves. And if you're new here, Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our cosmic adventures.